Hello friends, welcome to our channel Education Hub. In this video, I am going to tell you about the percentage of questions that are expected in NEET 2020 exam from biology section from each unit of class plus 1 and plus 2. As you all know that there will be total 90 questions from biology section. So let's start with unit wise. First we will discuss about class plus 1 chapters. First unit is diversity of living organisms, which include 4 chapters. Their weightage is 14%. It is one of the very important unit which you have to do very carefully. Second unit is structural organization in plants and animals, which include 3 chapters of 5% MCQ weightage. Third unit is cell structure and function, in which there are 3 chapters, and cell chapter is very important chapter, and this unit is expected to come under 9%, which is also very important unit. In this unit you have to learn various scientist names from NCERT as well as your help books. Next is plant physiology, which include 5 chapters and 6% weightage, and include tricky C3 and C4 pathways. This unit is little bit lengthy, and another lengthy unit is unit 5 human physiology, as you know very well, which have 7 chapters and very important unit of this class with 20% questions to be expected. So mark this unit very important. From class plus 2 there are total 5 units, which include reproduction on first, which have 4 chapters. This unit is of 9% MCQ expected, and this unit is very confusing, and as you can lose marks in this unit, so read questions in your exam very carefully. Next is genetic and evolution, which is one of the important unit with 18% weightage. So guys, do this unit very nicely. This unit is interesting unit and you can easily understand this unit. Next comes biology in human welfare, which can be of 9% MCQs, which include 3 chapters. Second last unit is biotechnology, which can be of 4% questions having 2 chapters. It is very small and simple unit. You can do this unit very easily. Last is ecology with 4 chapters and 6% weightage. So most important one units are unit 1, unit 3, unit 5 and unit 7 and unit 8. So guys, note them down properly and start preparing them from today onwards. So guys, if you find my videos useful, then like and share my videos, and if you have any doubt and want any video on any other topic, then please tell me in comment section and click on subscribe button and press bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.